No hype, no shortcuts, just a clear understanding of how the stock market really works. Most people think stock market is risky, but in reality, it only feels risky when you don't understand how it actually works. In the next few minutes, I'll give you clarity, the kind that turns confusion into control and guessing into smart decisions. Let's simplify. The stock market is not a gamble. It's a system where business raise capital and investors participate in their growth. Let's take an example of Reliance Industries. When a company like this wants to expand, it doesn't rely only on loans. It divides its ownership into small units known as shares and offers them to the public. So when you buy a share, you're not just buying a price, you're buying ownership. That shift in thinking changes everything. Now, how does money get created here? There are two ways. First, price movement. You buy at 100, moves to rupees 150. The difference is your profit. Simple. Second, dividends. Some companies reward you for holding their shares by distributing a part of their profits. So you earn even when you're not actively trading. But here's where clarity becomes power. Prices don't move randomly. They move because of one fundamental force, that is demand and supply. When demand increases, price rise. When supply increases, prices fall. That's it. But what drives this demand? There are three core factors. First, business performance. Second, news and economic events. Third, market sentiment. Once you understand this, the market stops feeling unpredictable. Now let's address the uncomfortable truth. Most beginners don't lose because the market is hard. They lose because their approach is wrong. They follow noise. They chase fast money. They act without understanding. And the market punishes that behavior every single time. So, what should you do differently? Focus on control. Start small because skill matters more than capital. Learn consistently because clarity compounds faster than money. And think long term because real wealth is built, not rushed. Because the stock market isn't designed to make you rich overnight. It's designed to make you wealthy if you respect the process. If you want clarity instead of confusion and control instead of guesswork, subscribe to Fortune Share Trading Institute and Investments and start approaching the market like an investor, not a gambler.